From the dawn of time until this very moment, the earth was at peace with its companion, Mother Nature. They were in complete harmony, working together, side by side from the beginning. Day after day and night after night, from sunrise to sunset, and from one moon to the next, they nurtured one another with the sun, moon, and stars as their audience. The earth and Mother Nature together provided the most desirable weather conditions, with pirouettes of changing seasons and temperatures. They provided the perfect environment for everything that had life. This was a time known as antediluvial. In an instant, serenity is replaced with bellicose hostility. The earth and Mother Nature are now at war with one another, wielding their elements. The ground is rocking and reeling. The rippling tides of the ocean have become great giants that are fighting one another in battle. Streaks of lightning fill the sky. The wind is blowing so ravenously that trees can no longer cling to the earth, and raindrops fall like rocks pounding the ground. Even the storm clouds flee, appearing desperate to find shelter from the conflict between the earth and Mother Nature. To save them, go. Take them two by two onto the Ark. In the end, there, buried in water, the Earth's corpse. And Mother Nature, she hovers over it, gazing like a black widow, statuesque, without emotion, without regret, who became a cyclone.